Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Cell Components, Part 4. Golgi apparatus. Locations, located very near the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and hence near the nucleus. Structures, a stack of flattened sacs. Functions, collect, process and sorts molecules. Convert sugars into cell wall components. Make lysosomes. Plants and animal cell present. Quiz time. How many did you get right? Lysosome, locations, inside the cytoplasm. Structures, spherical sacs. Surrounded by a single membrane and, having no internal structure. Functions, breakdown, digestion, the unwanted structures, such as old organelles or even whole cells. Plant and animal cell present. Quiz time. Ribosome, locations, some are attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum. Some are free in cytoplasm. Structures, tiny organelle. Has two subunits. Functions, protein synthesis. Plant and animal cell present. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.